Hello, what's up guys, and good evening friends, and welcome to Oracle Ninjas Education. Right here I am at Adamas University, which is one of the best private universities for engineering, health sciences, agriculture, management and so on. And you'll be surprised to know that Adamas University has been ranked 48 in India Today's rankings 2023 in the best private university category. And the campus is actually very huge, and they have separate departments for their courses, for their engineering, agriculture, civil engineering and physics. They have different labs, and I will show you each and every department. So I will try to cover as much department I can. And so guys, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The campus focuses on environmental surroundings by going plastic free, encouraging the use of reusable bags and containers. Conserving natural resources and creating a healthier environment for the students is an important factor. As you can see, the college is huge with an area of 120 acres. It has basketball courts, badminton courts, and beside the court it has its BTech departments, which I'll be showing you closely. It has highly knowledgeable and helpful faculty who have helped students with both academic and non-academic issues. The quality of teaching, learning and research here are splendid. The cafeteria is good and hygienic, and you can have varieties of options of food at affordable and pocket-friendly prices. And right beside the ground is the girls' hostel. This is the mechanical engineering department, which involves the design and development of mechanical systems. Then comes the civil engineering department, which deals with construction and infrastructure development. Then comes the electrical department, which domain is on electrical circuits and all. And then comes the electronics and communication engineering, which deals with electronic devices and communication systems. And then at last comes the computer science and engineering, which focuses on software development and computer systems. The departments are equipped with modern labs and facilities, which we will be showing you in the video, interacting with the faculties of the labs, explaining its cutting-edge infrastructure, innovative research projects, and learning experiences of the concepts. And this is the media and communication department, and the agriculture course is also taught inside the same building. And for agriculture, they have an agricultural field where they learn the concepts practically. This is the department for pursuing law. This department focuses on social justice, human rights, and ethical practice. The course instills in students a strong sense of social responsibility and commitment to upholding the rule of law. The road here is muddy now, but soon it will be constructed with fine infrastructure, providing a smooth and safe passage for students, faculty and staff to travel around the campus with ease. And this is the boys hostel, which is a bit inside the university campus, with a food court situated near the hostel, allowing the students to study, leisure and socialized. And these were all on the exterior part of the university. In the next video, I'll be showing you the labs. So do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.